These are the zip ties. They're probably about 3 inches long. Just come up here, put it through each loop. Flip that around. They're gonna pull it together. See this little gap right here? You're going to push it through right there and hook this right through there. And then just cut the zip tie out of the way. Then you've got it looped in there. You can back that up just a little bit. And you notice they're tight now. They're not so tight that they're hurting anything, but they're not gonna slide around like these do. They're actually snug.